Mm-hmm. I can't believe I just made a boba drink at home. Hello friends, this is Veronica. You know what time it is. It's cafecito time, and for today's cafecito time, I need something that's going to cool me off because it's starting to heat up here in Southern California. I have my little fan, but this isn't quite enough. I need something else, something to cool me off and refresh me. I think we need to come up with a new cafecito recipe. What do you guys think? Make sure you stick around to find out what it is. Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid. Welcome to my channel where I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and everything from the wonderful world of coffee. And today I have a little special coffee recipe treat for you guys because look what I found. Besides coffee, I also love boba drinks, and I found this at Aldi. I had seen people post about it at Costco and Sam's, I believe, the bigger boxes, but I found this smaller box at my local Aldi. It was only like, I think $3. It wasn't very expensive, but it's make your own boba drinks at home. So stick around because you guys are going to want to see this. Let's make our own coffee boba drinks at home. So this is the package. It is called Boba Bam. Boba Bam Instant Boba Pack. So it's brown sugar, flavor. There you go. So this is what it comes with. It comes with 4 packs and it includes a straw because you know you need that big special straw for your boba drinks. So I'm happy about that. And it says it's ready in 60 seconds in the microwave. That is like amazing. Gluten-free, nut-free, preservative-free, and it's vegan. It is in the frozen section. So I'm excited to try it. I'm excited to share it with you guys. So let's get into it. So I'm just going to read a little bit back here what it has to say. Let's put on the glasses. Originating in Taiwan, and by the way, I've been drinking boba drinks for a very, very, very long time and excited that I can make them at home now. Originating in Taiwan, boba tapioca milk tea is now enjoyed around the world. Boba is made from the ground cassava root. Didn't know that. Boiled and formed into small balls. Their distinctive chewiness delivers a very satisfying mouthfeel. Bam! All I know is the very first time I tried boba, my brother had bought one. He's like, here, you got to try this. It's some new drink. I almost choked. He's like, oh, I forgot to tell you, be careful with the big brown bobas. What a nice brother. Anyways, traditional boba requires 30 minutes of cooking time, which we ain't got time for all that. With our instant boba pack, you can experience the chewy deliciousness of boba in just 60 seconds. Indulge your taste buds anytime from the convenience of your home or office. Ready in 60 seconds? Okay, I'm so ready. Let's get into it. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh, okay. So you get a 4-pack like this. And as you can see, it comes with the straw. Yay! Excited about that. But I was ready just in case. Last time I went to the boba shop, I got a straw because I like these big straws. Anyway, so it comes with a pack like this. It's like, you know, it already has the brown sugar syrup in it and the boba. That's what it looks like. And this says it's good for up to 2 years. So if you buy this and you don't drink them right away, they're good for 2 years. So you get 4 packs, the straws, instructions. All you have to do is, okay, this getting older and needing glasses is getting annoying. Cut boba pack and place in a cup. Place in a microwave for 45 to 60 seconds. You need a cup of ice, a cup of milk, or your choice of whatever alternative milk you like. Stir contents and enjoy. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to microwave this. So I'll be back in 60 seconds. In the meantime, let's get our boba glass ready. Okay, you guys know I told you I love boba. So there is this a shop called a Boba Monster locally here in Southern California, and they have these super duper cute cups. That you can buy with your, well, you know, it comes with your drink and you pay a little extra. You get to take it home and drink your boba. And I say, you know what? I have to use my Boba Monster cup. So I'm going to fill it with ice while my boba is cooking. It says about a cup of ice, but, you know, put as much as you want. Okay, boba's ready. I have my Boba Monster cup. Our milk, it says about a cup of milk, so I'm just gonna follow the directions. Milk. Then it says to stir in your boba and enjoy. Okay, this is really hot, so when you stir it in, just be careful. Ooh. Okay, I'm trying not to burn myself. You guys, if this works out, I am going to be making boba all summer long. Okay, let's do this. Ooh. That's what it looks like. Ooh, all of it goes in there. Okay. Okay, this straw I think is going to be too small. So I'm going to have to use my straw from the boba shop. Okay, we're going to stir it. Okay, okay, let's taste it. I'm like so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Go out and buy these immediately. If you have an Aldi, go check. If you have a Sam's Club, a Costco, you guys, this is so good. I swear it tastes like the boba shop down the street from my house. It's so good. It's like really good. Okay. I need to go buy more. But because you know House of Cid is all about cafecito time, we need to make our little own concoction here. So guess what I'm going to do? Yep. I'm going to brew some coffee. Because, you know, why not? Oh, it doesn't fit. That's okay. I'm going to make a shot of espresso and put it in my boba drink, and let's see how that goes. This is really so good. The boba is not really like, the chew is pretty good because sometimes they're a little too hard or a little too mushy. This one is like the perfect chewy boba. It's so good. Okay. It's good, you guys. I'm very excited, and I'm even more excited to try it with the coffee. So let me know if you are a lover of boba drinks. And these bubbles are like pretty good size. They're not too big, not too small. This is so good. Like, why haven't I tried this before? Where have I been? Okay, you guys, my shot of espresso. I just use the Altiso espresso because it says it is full-bodied and creamy. So let's see. I might have to add more ice, but we'll see. So I'm adding my shot of espresso in here. My straw. Okay, I gotta get it all in there. Okay. So good. Oh my God, I'm in love. You guys, this is like the best thing. Some of those boba drinks can get pretty expensive. You buy this, you spend like $3-4 maybe, and you can make 4 drinks. That's a bargain. This is so good. Buy it, try it. House of Cid, recommend it. House of Cid approved. This was so good. You don't need it after coffee if you don't want to, but you guys know. You guys know I need my cafecito. Super easy. I was actually thinking about trying to make my own boba, but who are we kidding? Who are we kidding? We want it easy. We want it delicious, and this is it. Boba Bam delivered, and I'm so happy I tried it. I'm so happy to share with you guys. Let me know if you've tried Boba Bam before or any other. I've seen other packets, but this one was very affordable and it was at my Aldi, so I had to try it. As always, if you guys like our videos, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Helps us with the infamous YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Videos every Wednesday, every Sunday. I'm gonna go finish my boba drink because it's really, really good, you guys. I'm like in shock. I'm actually in shock how delicious it is, and I'm so happy I get to use my boba monster. We'll see you guys next week. As always, I hope you're enjoying your cafecito, and we'll talk to you all later. Bye. This is so good. I can't believe I just made a boba drink at home.